Welcome, today I am with Motorola Moto G51 5G and I'm going to show you a couple camera tricks. At the first, we are going to start from the standard photo and the video mode. So in these modes, we can increase or decrease the brightness level. We have to tap on the screen and then move this icon to increase or decrease the brightness level. You can also make it automatically by tapping on the screen 2 times. It works the same in the video mode. Take a look. Right now, when we are in the photo mode, we can also open this menu where we can find the camera timer. We can set 3 or 10 seconds. Then when you click on the shutter, after this time, photo will be taken. In the video mode, we can change option to increase smoothness on the video, so we can switch to the 60 frames per second. And also you can turn on or turn off the microphone. So if you want to record the video without sounds, just mute your microphone by select this option. We can also find very useful Google Lenses. To open this option and use it, you have to be connected to your mobile data or Wi-Fi network. And take a look. I would like to get more information about this mouse. So I would like to get the exact model of this mouse. So what you have to do, take a look. You have to just point on the object that you want to find. Okay, we are not connected, so let me just go for the Bluetooth settings, for the Wi-Fi connection, I mean. Okay, and I'm gonna connect for this one. Okay, right now I'm connected, so right now it works, so one more time. Okay, not working, so let me just reset. I think it's all about this not connected network. Okay. We got some kind of the problem, but right now looks like it's working. Yeah, unfortunately the Google Lens is not working. So normally you have to be just, point on the item and then you will get the blue highlight on it. So when you tap on the search, it will find the exact model. It will look like that. It will find the exact model of the mouse. It's the B100 for sure, but it also detected me M100. So there's not the guide example how it works, but I don't know, maybe it's some kind of the bug in my version. So you can tell me in the comment if it works properly in your case. We can also open more modes where we can find dual capture. It works for the video and the photo mode. And basically you can just take photo or video from the 2 cameras at the same time. You can also change theme. You can also take photo from the different lenses. So right now we are here in the rear camera. And just to show you how it looks. Okay, and right now we are going back to the standard settings that you can find right here. So in the AI settings, you can enable gesture selfie. With this option, you are able to take photo by showing the palm of your hand. Let me try to switch to the front camera. Okay, unfortunately our smartphone doesn't recognize the hand. There's another option that it's not working properly in this smartphone. That's honestly a bad. And the capture settings, we can enable tap anywhere. So when you cannot reach this shutter, you can just tap on the screen and you can take the photo. Okay, and that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.